If you've ever struggled to understand your users' behavior on your website, you might want to check out PostHog. But is it really the best product analytics platform out there, or just another tool in a crowded market? Let's dive in. PostHog positions itself as a comprehensive product analytics platform, offering a suite of features that aim to help teams understand user behavior without the hefty price tag of some competitors. At its core, it provides event tracking, user session recordings, and heat maps, which can be super helpful for visualizing how users interact with your site. Navigating the interface feels intuitive, especially for those familiar with analytics tools. However, it does come with a learning curve for newcomers. The platform seems to target both startups and established businesses, which is great, but some features might be overwhelming for smaller teams. One standout feature is the ability to self-host PostHog, which adds a layer of data privacy that many users might appreciate. Yet there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation and community support, which can leave users feeling a bit stranded when they hit a snag. Let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, PostHog's ability to self-host is a huge plus for data-sensitive companies, and its event tracking capabilities are robust. The session recordings and heat maps can offer valuable insights into user behavior too, but there are definitely some drawbacks. The learning curve can be steep, especially for teams without a dedicated analytics person. Plus, while the self-hosting option is great, it can also lead to additional maintenance headaches. Some users have also reported frustration with the platform's integrations, which feel limited compared to others on the market. Overall, it might not be the best fit for small teams or those looking for a straightforward analytics tool. Larger organizations or businesses focused on data privacy could benefit more from what PostHog offers. In conclusion, PostHog has some compelling features, especially for those who value self-hosting and detailed analytics. However, its complexity may deter smaller teams or those new to analytics. If you're looking for an in-depth tool and don't mind a learning curve, it's worth trying out. But others might find simpler options better suited to their needs.